Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make a homemade chicken Caesar salad in extra virgin olive oil. This is a healthy dish that will help you lose weight and become fit. If you don't have extra virgin olive oil in your kitchen, you can use the normal olive oil instead. These are the ingredients: 2 skinless and boneless chicken breasts, romaine lettuce, you can use iceberg lettuce as well, plum tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes is ideal, but I love the taste of plum over cherry, Parmesan cheese, and extra virgin olive oil. The first thing to do is to preheat the oven to 200 Celsius if using a fan, or 180 Celsius for gas. In a baking tray with cling film, place the chicken breasts and season both sides of the chicken with salt and pepper. Drizzle with olive oil and sprinkle on some of your favorite herbs. I'm using oregano for extra flavor. Place the baking tray with the chicken into the oven and roast it for about 20 to 25 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare your veggies. Wash the lettuce and dry it with paper towel. Chop 2 leaves of romaine lettuce and put it on a serving shallow plate or bowl. Cut 6 plum tomatoes into half and add them on top of the lettuce. When the chicken is cooked and ready, let it rest for 5 minutes. Then slice it. I'm only using 1 portion of the chicken here, as this salad is good for 1 person only. You can use all the roasted chicken when making salad for 2 persons or more. You need to use 1 head of lettuce and double the amount of tomatoes as well. Top with shaved Parmesan cheese, drizzle with extra virgin olive oil, and sprinkle some pepper. And that is my homemade chicken Caesar salad and extra virgin olive oil. Serve and enjoy! If you like the recipe, comment down below and be sure to subscribe on my YouTube channel, C&J. Check out and follow my social media accounts at C6J Travels. See you guys on my next uploads. Ta!